I know you can also buy a tinted brow gel in store, but normally they only have two versions, light or dark. My brows are somewhere in between and I love how I can mix up the perfect shade for myself. Whoa, how did you do that? Oh, it's an epic hack. I'll show you. Yeah. Okay, this makeup hack may not be something that you use every day for school or work, but it's just so cool that I had to include it. I'll show you an easy way to make a gorgeous mermaid makeup. I started with coloring the lips in white. White base will give a beautiful contrast to the colors which I'll apply later. Now for the fun part, take some fishnet tights and pull them on your head like this. I know it looks scary, but we only need this temporarily. Let's start with lips. Dip a small brush in any eyeshadow of your choice and apply it on the lips. Make sure to tap the brush on the lips instead of swiping it back and forth. This will make sure we don't ruin the fishnet design we're going for. For the lips, I decided to combine dark blue, light blue, purple and pink colors. I'm now switching to a bigger flat brush and I'm going to apply light blue on my cheeks and temples. Again, use tapping motion instead of swiping back and forth. Lastly, I'm going in with pink and I'm applying that below the blue. If you want to create a pretty gradient between the blue and pink, just tap some of that pink over the blue. When you're happy with your design, pull the tights off your face and look at this epicness. I mean, you need absolutely no makeup skills and you can create something so gorgeous.